Hello there, it seems you've been pondering about meditation. Questions like how long should your meditation session last, or how long is really enough, might be troubling your mind. Maybe you're worried about not reaching your meditation goals, or simply struggling to find time for this practice. Don't worry, we've all been there. Even though everyone has their own unique meditation journey, there are some basic guidelines that could help you out. So, let's start with the most frequently asked question. What's the recommended dosage for meditation? Many studies suggest that just 20 minutes of mindfulness meditation per day can lead to significant benefits, enhancing your brain functioning and your overall physical and mental health. But that doesn't mean shorter sessions are useless. In fact, shorter sessions are perfect for taking mindful breathers during your busy day, at home, at work, in school, or in the park. They're especially beneficial if you're just starting out and trying to find your rhythm in meditation. Conversely, don't feel the need to limit your meditation to just 20 minutes a day. If you benefit from meditating for longer periods, go for it. Your meditation experience will guide you and let you know when it's time to stop. Just remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. Did you know that consistent meditation for 2 months or more can lead to noticeable changes within your brain? A Harvard University study revealed just that. After meditating daily for 27 minutes over an 8-week period, participants experienced increased volume in regions of the brain associated with memory, learning, emotion control, self-awareness, and perspective. And that's simply fascinating. Now, you might be intrigued by the concept of meditating for long hours, inspired by images of Buddhist practitioners who seem to meditate blissfully for hours on end. If you're drawn to intensive meditation, remember, it requires a high degree of practice and discipline. It's highly recommended that you either connect with a qualified meditation teacher for proper guidance or join a structured meditation retreat. Whether you prefer short or long meditation sessions, the benefits of meditation are truly priceless. Rather than focusing on the duration, aim to make the most of every moment in meditation. Choose a convenient time, free of interruptions and noise. You might prefer mornings, but you could also incorporate mini meditations within your day or select evenings as your preferred time. And remember, keep it interesting. There are numerous meditation techniques you can explore. If sitting meditation becomes monotonous, switch it up with a walking meditation. The goal is to enjoy your meditation moments. A daily meditation practice can truly transform your life. There's no end point, it's a journey. For many, it becomes an integral part of their daily routine, something they cannot imagine skipping. After all, it feels great and the benefits are undeniable, so go ahead, find your moment of peace. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mindful tips. Keep calm and keep meditating.